Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon and broccoli. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have 2 salmon fillets and about 2 cups of broccoli florets. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare a simple seasoning blend using salt, pepper, and garlic powder for delicious flavor. This easy method ensures a healthy and quick meal. Now, let's get everything ready for the oven. Gently pat your salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This helps them get a nice, crispy skin. In a bowl, toss your broccoli florets with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground pepper. Finally, season your salmon generously with your preferred spices. It's time to bake. Arrange your seasoned salmon and broccoli florets in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan for even cooking. Place the sheet in your preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. The salmon should flake easily, and the broccoli should be tender crisp. Always check for proper doneness. Your delicious salmon and broccoli are ready. Serve immediately, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a sprinkle of chopped fresh dill for extra brightness. This meal pairs wonderfully with a side of fluffy quinoa or brown rice. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.